Pedagogy of Mathematics. In that first unit, Mathematics Curriculum. Meaning of curriculum. Meaning of curriculum is that to reach the aim and objectives of mathematics. That is, in order to know what are the topics and contents that should be taught in mathematics. In order to achieve these aims and objectives, the answer is curriculum. Definition of curriculum. The term curriculum is commonly used to mean a course of studies. The term curriculum is derived from Latin word which means run, and it signifies a runway or a course which one runs to reach a goal. Curriculum is the tool in the hands of an artist, that is the teacher, to mold his material, the pupil, according to his ideas, that is objectives, in his studio, that is the school. Characteristics of curriculum. The curriculum should have a physical and a mental activities which can lead to knowledge, skill and proper attitudes. The content of the course should be full of direct significance to life problems and activities. Learning activities should be such as call for interest of students, should feel pleasure in completing them. Mathematics curriculum objectives. In this we have three stages: pre-primary stage, upper primary stage and higher secondary stage. So in this pre-primary stage we will see whether the student or the child need to learn and understand the contents which are of small sets, which are of one dimensional. Those are counting, quantity, word games, identifying shapes and symmetrics are appropriate skills to acquire at this stage. Having children develop a positive attitude towards and a liking for mathematics at the primary stage is as important. Mathematical games, puzzles and stories helps in developing a positive attitude and in making connections between mathematics and everyday thinking. This helps the child to understand mathematics used in day-to-day life. And next is upper primary stage. At the upper primary stage, students get the first taste of power of mathematics through the applications of powerful abstract concepts that compress previous learning and experiences. This will help the students to understand about solving the problems and in generalization, about algebraic notations, measurements, data handling, representation and interpretation from a significant part of the ability of dealing with information in general, which is an essential life skill. The learning at this stage also offers an opportunity to enrich students' reasoning and visualization skills. Next stage is higher secondary stage. The aim of mathematics curriculum at higher secondary stage is to provide students with an appreciation of wide variety of application of mathematics. Such inquiries must be dedicated by mathematics considerations of the importance of topics to be included. Topics that are more naturally the province of the other disciplines must be left out of mathematics curriculum. Major objectives of mathematics curriculum: proficiency in fundamental mathematics skills, comprehension of basic mathematical concepts, development of desirable attitudes, confidence in making intelligent and independent interpretation. Vision for school mathematics curriculum as laid in National Curriculum Framework 2005. Children learn to enjoy mathematics rather than fear it. Children learn important mathematics. Mathematics is more than formulas and mechanical procedures. Children pose and solve meaningful problems.